Cinnamon honey butter pairs up nicely with this charcuterie board. Just look how smooth and creamy it is. Today we're using Jordan's honey out of Mississippi. Start off by adding 2 sticks of butter here to the bowl and whisk it because the whisk will make it fluffy and airy. Be sure to stay to the end because I have some nice substitution if you are on a keto diet, low-fat diet, or a vegan diet. And don't worry about writing down the ingredients right now because I've got them all written down for you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Hey, here we're whisking the butter till it's nice and fluffy. Look how pale yellow it is compared to what it was before. When it pale yellow, nice and fluffy smooth. Okay, now we switch the blade to the paddle blade. We're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. You can use sea salt or whatever salt you like. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. That's what this one calls for this recipe to make it fluffier. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. And if you like cinnamon, you add extra cinnamon if you want to, or just add just a little bit. It's up to you. Whip that up. And add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm using vanilla paste, pure vanilla, natural. You can use the extract flavoring, whatever vanilla extract you like, just use it. Let that whip on up there. Look how smooth that is. Okay, put in 2 heaping tablespoons of honey in there. Okay, we're just looking. Look how smooth that looks. There we go. Look at that pretty picture. We got the whip on there and the paddle rather, and we're just got to putting 2 heaping tablespoons of honey in there. Yeah, just look how pretty that smooth that is. Okay, I think we can get this out and put it in a dish. Look how pretty and creamy that looks. Yes. Okay, I'm fixing to put this in a piping bag and put it in a container. Here I am smoothing it on some bread, and it is so good. You have to try this.